Tesla is the pioneer of fully electric cars, so it's not surprising that many of the standard maintenance items don't apply. For example, you never need an oil change, and of course, won't ever have to worry about traditional fuel costs. But there are some shockingly expensive repair costs that you should factor in your budget when you go shopping for a Tesla. Here's the scoop. A Tesla carries a high price tag, and they do require specialized care. On top of that, some repairs can be very expensive. However, Tesla maintenance costs are low for the industry and very low for luxury models. Tesla offers a factory warranty for all models and an extended service agreement for Model S and Model X. Extended car warranties or prepaid maintenance plans can help reduce your annual Tesla maintenance costs. Plus, a third-party extended warranties can help even out the cost of ownership, especially as cars get older. If you plan to purchase a Tesla or already have one, you need to be aware of Tesla's recommended maintenance schedules and how much it costs to maintain and repair certain vehicle parts, because Tesla car servicing should be as seamless and affordable as possible. How much does Tesla maintenance cost? In the whole scheme of things, Tesla maintenance costs during the first year of ownership are extremely low. Because Teslas are electric vehicles, there's no need for many standard maintenance services like oil changes, spark plug replacements, fuel filter replacements, or emissions checks. Other repairs will need to be completed as your Tesla ages. And for the most part, your car will notify you through remote diagnostics when maintenance is required. The most common maintenance services your Tesla will need within the first year are a tire rotation, replacement of windshield washer fluids, and replacement of the cabin air filter. With that short list, it seems fairly cheap. A tire rotation will cost you anywhere between $35 and $100, depending on which model you have. A windshield blade wiper replacement will cost you no more than $50, and a cabin air filter replacement is $60 to $200. But there are some ways you can cut corners. That's by doing it yourself. Having a professional rotate your tires is relatively inexpensive, but if you're looking to save money, many drivers have taught themselves to service their car at home. But of course, the burden of potential added risks apply if you choose not to allow a professional to do it. But regardless if you opt to take it to a professional or learn how to do repairs yourself, it is very wise to follow the recommended Tesla service schedules. Recommended Tesla service schedule and common repairs. Tesla maintenance cost 1 year may be much higher or lower than the next, depending on what you need to have serviced. This occurs because rather than have set maintenance schedules like most manufacturers, Tesla recommends having your vehicle serviced on an as-needed basis. Even though Tesla does not have required maintenance schedules, it does recommend intervals at which you should consider certain services. Tire rotation, balance, and wheel alignment every 6,250 miles. Full service inspection every 1 year. Brake caliper replacement every 1 year or 12,600 miles for winter care. Brake system flush every 2 years. Cabin air filter replacement every 2 years. High efficiency particulate air HEPA filter replacement every 3 years. Air conditioning service varies between models. Model S needs service every 2 years, Model X and Y need service every 4 years, and Model 3 needs service every 6 years. Smart drivers are always paying attention to over-the-air software updates and remote diagnostics, as well as making use of Tesla technicians for inspections and services. You want to ensure that your car is running like new, so upkeep shouldn't be scoffed. Tesla Mobile Maintenance Unit. Indeed, Teslas have fewer moving parts than your traditional combustion vehicle, so there's bound to be fewer service centers around, no matter where you are on Earth. The remedy to make services more convenient, for example, when you need your tires rotated or your filters changed, is a Tesla mobile service unit that can come to you directly. All one has to do is use his or her Tesla app to schedule a mobile service visit at a time that is convenient for the Tesla owner. Based on Tesla's online forums, many basic services performed by the unit are free of charge. So, taking advantage of this option can bring down your annual Tesla maintenance cost. If you prefer to bring your car into the shop for service, your app can also help locate the closest Tesla service center. Tesla maintenance cost with a factory warranty. As life is full of unpredictable events, be sure to consider this. So, when budgeting for Tesla maintenance costs, you'll definitely want to take into consideration those pesky, unexpected repairs, as well as routine services. Fortunately, every new Tesla comes with a factory warranty that promises to repair or replace defects in materials or workmanship for the first few years of your vehicle's life. Tesla warranty breakdown. All Tesla models come with a basic vehicle limited warranty that covers 4 years or about 50,000 miles. The battery and drive unit warranty for Tesla Model S and Model X is 8 years or 150,000 miles, while for the standard range Tesla Model 3 and Model Y covers 100,000 miles. The long-range Model 3 and Model Y warranty for battery and drive unit will cover 120,000 miles, which is also about 8 years. As for the supplemental restraint system, or SRS, for all Tesla models, the warranty is good for 60,000 miles, which is about 5 years. And to keep your Tesla in tip-top shape, body rust warranties cover 12 years regardless of how many miles are on the dial. And you should know that the basic vehicle limited warranty is the most comprehensive, as it covers most Tesla vehicle parts. The battery and drive unit limited warranty is Tesla's version of a powertrain warranty. And for all models, there is a minimum 70% retention of battery capacity over this warranty period. Tesla Extended Service Agreement. Yes, it's true. The manufacturer's factory warranty coverage is quite lengthy. But once it expires, you'll be stuck paying all Tesla maintenance costs on your own. And that will dig a hole in your pockets. To offset repair costs, Tesla offers an extended service agreement, or ESA, for Model S and Model X vehicles. It would be wise to take advantage of this. Whereas, if you own a Model Y or Model 3, you'll need to consider an aftermarket warranty from an independent provider. Good news, after your basic vehicle limited warranty expires, you can choose a 2-year or 4-year coverage through the ESA program. And of course, the battery and drive unit is not included in these agreements since it will still be covered by its own warranty. Just make sure that it's purchased within 30 days or 1,000 miles of the expiration of the factory warranty. Normally, Tesla owners purchase an ESA within the first 180 days of delivery because it can save them $500 on the extended coverage plan. So if you miss the 180-day deadline, your 2-year warranty will be about $2,600, and the 4-year warranty stands at about $4,750. Yes, these prices are definitely higher than an average extended warranty. But indeed, you're gaining a peace of mind that your Tesla is protected in the event of an expensive repair of a complex part. And if a breakdown does happen, your Tesla maintenance cost budget won't take a huge chunk of your cash. And remember, you can purchase any maintenance, warranty, or service agreement directly at your nearest service center or from Tesla through the app. Recommendations for extended auto warranties. As you may know, not all companies cover luxury brands and electric vehicles. So, searching for extended warranty plans for your Tesla vehicle may be tiresome and time-consuming. After you search through several websites and forums, you'll realize that the reputable CarShield probably offers the best extended car warranties for Tesla models. Plus, CarShield is the most affordable for Tesla owners. In total, CarShield offers 6 levels of warranty coverage. The best for your Tesla include the Diamond Plan, which covers bumper-to-bumper coverage, which is considered best for new cars. The Platinum Plan, with stated component coverage, is best for high-mileage vehicles. The Gold Plan covers enhanced powertrain, and it's best for drivers with unreliable vehicles. And finally, there's the Aluminum Plan, that's best for cars with high-tech components such as Tesla's. CarShield. With 16 years in the business and availability in all states except for California, the company holds a 4.5-star rating from several review teams and a 4.1 out of a 5.0-star customer rating from Trustpilot, which is also a very credible review website. Now that you've gained more knowledge on the matter and understand the best ways to keep your Tesla repairs at a minimum, which of the Tesla models are you planning to purchase? Be sure to leave your comments down below, and we'll see you in the next video.